Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's lecture part 14 we will learn screen rotation in Android with some example. The logic behind this is very simple. Okay, when the width of the phone is greater than height, then we can say our mobile is in landscape mode. Okay, otherwise it is in portrait mode. Okay, for portrait mode you can see that the width is small than the height. Okay, our mobile is always in portrait mode. Okay, so height is more, width is small. Okay, if the width is more than the height, that means the width is greater than height, then we can say our mobile is in landscape mode. So we will create a project for this. Okay, so we will display the message whenever our mobile is in landscape mode. Okay, so for this we will create the object of window manager and we will assign it to the display object. Okay, so go to Android Studio, from file, new project, select the empty activity, click on next. Okay, my application SCR, the name which you want to give, language is Java, API level is 15 and finish. Our project is loading now. Okay, it is loaded. So go to main activity.java. Okay, here we will create the object of window manager. Import the class, Alt enter to import the class. Okay, so here get window manager, okay, then we will create the object of display. D, Alt enter to import the class, window manager object wm dot get default display. Now here we will simply check if d means display get width is greater than d dot get height. If this is the condition, get height, if this is the condition, in toast import Alt enter to import get application context message, landscape mode, landscape mode. Okay, length is long and t dot show. So this is what, when the width of the display is greater than height, then we can say our mobile is in landscape mode. Okay, so now let us run this configuration. You can see it is in landscape mode when the width is greater than height. Okay, once again we will run. Width is greater than height, then your device is in landscape mode. Width is greater than height, then your device is in landscape mode. You can see. Okay, if you rotate your phone, then you will get the message. Then again we will add if d dot get width. Okay, which is less, or we can add the else part also. Else we will copy this same and paste it. Portrait. So this is what about the landscape mode and the portrait mode in Android. When the width of the display is greater than the height, then you can say that your device is in landscape mode. Okay, if you rotate your device, then you can see the results. Okay, landscape mode, if you rotate, then you can get the message portrait. Okay, portrait mode. So this is what about the screen rotation in Android. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, like and comment. Thank you so much.